Hey, what up, guys? We're back again with another episode. And on your screen, it's Mr. Hectic, and I'm here with
Zooks_SK.
Caprice what the easy.
And today, guys, we have a new co-host. But he's not so new to your faces. Because you saw him last episode.
Tap in.
What's your name, my guy?
Don Kobiolis.
Kobiolis in the house. Give it up.
But also known as Jabulo.
Yes.
Ujuba simazi thina. Simazi zonjabulo.
Kangaka la Juvi boy.
Don't go.
Thina sazi uGcubi thina, dog.
The name Ujuvi is known by
Bambase Ramskate.
Nah. It came from a primary. If you watched the last week's episode, then you would have known which primary school I went to, which was MPS. So I was in grade 4.
Legit.
No, this is not alleged this time. I was in grade 4 and I was at my worst behavior.
Worst behavior.
So there's one specific teacher that I won't mention. She called me and was like,
"Oh, juvenile."
Yeah, if I continue my bad behavior, I'm gonna end up in juvie. So that's how the name.
So that's how you.
So shout out to S.A. Tukwalela. He gave me that name actually.
About is it?
So Joe, what group are you at?
No, he's
Problem child.
You a delinquent.
Problem child.
Delinquent.
Okay, too. What are we talking about today?
Yeah, Chief. Yeah. There's a lot to talk about today.
A lot of things happened this past week.
Maskandi.
Yeah, the Maskandi festival.
I have a question for y'all. Do y'all regret not going there?
I regret it, yo.
Not that much, boy.
I personally regret it.
I regret it, boy. You got so
We need to next year. If it's
this time of age.
Now we need to start. We need to start attending these things because it costs
Why don't you like events?
Nah, there's just too many people.
Real.
Unexpectedly though, this year it was way too many people actually.
I mean, about us events.
It's the same thing.
Wait.
Weekend. Everyone is drinking. Did you hear about the condoms and pads that were found there?
That's the only thing that stood out,
bro.
Success.
It was very successful.
Pads.
It was packed. Things sold out. You know.
Body count is new.
Body count is new.
I
like it. It's crazy. I'd say.
For them don't make festival shooting mess. Shooting mess.
I mean, if you're watching this and you go,
it's alleged. I don't know group boy fish more.
I mean, episode 1 why is it chilo lose by hey.
Oh, I did. What a
the people like who are there. Who do you think would
that's the thing. Not many people I know posted about the thing. You see, so I wouldn't say who and who. Yeah, well. So I don't know. I don't know from my side. I don't know about y'all though.
But I think there's someone there, you know what I'm saying?
I know. If there was someone that I knew that went in, then probably, but there's no one I know.
There's someone I know.
Who, boy? Who?
Who? I'm joking.
Who? Yeah.
Wait, who do you suspect, my guy?
Who?
I ain't fucking shit.
Nah, boy. You see, we ain't leaving the shit now. You mentioned that you're gonna talking about it.
Condoms and stuff.
This is weird now. It's out this corner. We heard that there were condoms and pads.
Bro, you're literally out of the country. We said Japan.
Nah, enjoyment.
Yo. And I'm actually now. Yo. This one don't where you hit your cherry and it's on your period.
Shit.
Niyazenza izinto.
Rainbow Nation.
Ibizwa nge-Rainbow Nation.
Wala visual kumuntu yethu ngoThembe.
Tshena, ibizwa nge-Rainbow Nation la.
Sama relax. Wait.
And I'm like,
like this weekend, bro. Even like, you know, there were like 55 people.
yeah, inomthelela Kusland. Inomthelela.
Actually, let me fact check this, bro. Like, I need
I need a fix.
Did you hear about the stock direct?
Inomthelela, because allegedly I heard there were 55 people who were arrested. 55.
the one that stood out. The ones that doctor, it stood out for me the most. But like, let me read it for you
I was
guys.
crying when I was reading that thing.
No,
Give us the
55.
context, my guy.
Let me just find it.
Awuphinde uphangele wena bhuti wami oyisisi wami.
I must.
Uvele retire kungu.
So in correction, it's actually 44 people. So as it reads, it says 44 motorists, including a policeman, were arrested for drunk driving in Potchefstroom.
Motorist.
Literally.
Did you say policeman?
Yeah.
Bro. Even a policeman.
Imagine the police are looking for a police that was drinking and driving.
Oh, niyabona ukuthi nani vele.
Nipha.
Hey, this is
So-
South Africa.
The so-called Duma commends RTI for cleaning up our roads, the road network, with 337 motorists arrested since 15 August 2025. Damn.
Bana bangaka.
Yo. So, media public statement by the MEC of Transport and Human Settlements, Usboniso Duma, on the 27th of September this year. Ingosi, Mapumula House, we wish to provide an update following successful execution.
Bundles.
Plot in Potchefstroom. 44 motorists, including a policeman working at the Potchefstroom police station, were arrested.
Yes.
The policeman escaped while being processed.
Ah, the policeman alibalekile.
Yo,
Wait.
another person ran away.
Yo, nubi vele yathi bra. Yo, andiyabazi ngiyabaleka. Bazondiyeka.
Literally, it says where he is employed.
Ah,
Colleagues are.
that's crazy.
Ah, didn't you try to do that? I was from Zami. I was only as an ex.
What's wrong with
Let's have
What are intanga yakhe? So it
is,
continues. It says at 1915, a 28-year-old motorist was arrested on the R102 Confusion Junction with
21?
Huh?
21?
28-year-old, yeah, with an alcohol content in his blood 8 times
Yes.
more than the legal.
Damn, it's
The level of
please comment,
service
please
consumption was
Please comment,
another level, right?
what's the actual legal limit?
of what?
Policies we avoid because
Yes.
It's like
Yeah.
0.5.
Yeah, fertilizer.
Lenazi science. Sayilibala.
actually, so I actually heard something from one of my boys that what's this thing called? Umqombothi. Awuveli kuyinansi.
Ikeba.
Yeah, I don't know.
Fertilizer, I feel.
Fertilizer doesn't show.
Doesn't show.
It doesn't have the indole.
Economy and chemical.
Yeah, ikhona chemical efakwe alcohol
Alcohol.
But do you remember on the specific?
Ini?
ethanol, yeah.
But do you remember on the time where the time where it was during Easter time? What's this thing called? Easter?
Ipasi.
Into one is if you check out bras.
Last up. What?
No, what's that bread thing?
Bread.
No, not yeast.
Come on. I mean, you know,
Six, bro.
what the hell?
Yeah,
Hot
something.
cross buns.
Yeah, it's hot cross buns.
Nichake yese ngabulungu njabula. Eyo.
No.
You are a boy.
Alcohol content, Palan.
Is in
No cross buns.
Yeah.
Sir.
But they removed a certain ingredient so to stop people from like actually overdoing the breathalyzers. So at 23:43, a motorist was arrested in Nelson Mandela Drive with an alcohol content in his blood 3 times over the legal limit.
inkinga la South Coast siyaphuza ngathi.
Bro. And okay, I can't see this one that stood out for me here. There was a lady. There was actually a video.
Mama wabantwana.
Oh,
A mother of 3.
oh, yilo mama.
Engavekhaya.
Engahizi mama zuto.
Out of 3.
Kodwa namapolisa athi une-drums sabantu uyika come on guys uyika
Cabanga ijele.
I mean, they ladies after all.
Engavelile.
Kodwa ubephuma phi azame nabantwana enxilili bephuma.
Now to speak for her, I think maybe ebingaseli nabantwana. No bebeyobalanda ebagcinise somewhere besohamba nabo enxilili.
Bazone info.
Engabashi phayana abalanda ekuseni xa se right.
Step daddy.
You already know the way you move. So like speaking about stepdads, would you date a chick with it?
I'm too young to be a stepdad.
For me, nah. I cannot abide myself in those activities. Imagine.
I would, just to smash.
Yeah, just to smash, yeah, but
I mean,
that's a different thing. I mean, we are at an age where
but you are applying for it. Should I mention names? Should I mention names?
Go ahead.
God damn.
That's such old news, bro.
You were applying for it though. It's this year, not even the last year.
Oh my god.
And that's all news, my guy.
Oh my god.
I will try you out.
Pressure, you were right. This one,
life comes at you fast. Just go to
That's good.
Okay, in my defense, I didn't know.
It's crazy. Hey.
Nah, I really liked her.
Yeah,
That's the thing about the dick.
I mean, if only she knew.
If only, man.
Yeah, I was single at the time, so I wanted to just.
At the time, boy.
Transfer market, they fully price. Yeah, she knows. She knows.
I got no. Iswa lo benmention igama lakhe.
Yeah.
I'll feed the information
Can I try and do the cock block?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, allegedly, guys. Hey, khona angazi noze simazi zonke kodwa bakhona bamaziyo. Khona umjeda wala i3 yazo. Lo mjeda
I know he's going.
Uyagqoka abafana, uyagqoka manje. Hlaba o Alexander McQueen, o La Costa.
Long day.
He's
watery.
Drop names, my guy.
I won't drop names,
okay,
but I'll drop his nickname. Yeah, I'll drop his nickname. Bambiza Gari Lukaku. So this past weekend, divective angaye. Umjeda khona i-tracksuit ye-Lacoste beyinxibile yabo. But when you go on the websites of Lacoste, the tracksuit ayakaphumi.
Some better exclusive, dog.
No, the thing is
maybe Lacoste, okay. I mean, gifted and
no. The thing is,
the
thing is about this tracksuit, this specific tracksuit. It's the same one, but the original one doesn't have Lacoste at the back, and his does. That's the thing.
Oh shit,
that's crazy. What?
That's the thing. Now my only problem is allegedly onke amajita ahlala pha phezulu no Lukaku banxiba fake. Ditabo singena phi thina bra? Singena phi? Where do we enter as there? You can't call out someone ukuthi hey, he's wearing fake, then call other people ukuthi hey, baqo fake. Singena phi thina bras? No.
You're not part of the situation.
I mean, what's wrong with fake? Yeah. Let me just ask the question.
It means that wrong with fake as you want. If you can't afford the real thing, then why did you buy fake? You take it fake.
I mean, they say fake it till you make it.
Nah, but you can look clean without buying it.
Yeah,
exactly,
my child.
Relax,
yes, just
at the same time.
That's the problem.
Speaking about
you can look clean without like spending.
Speaking about peer pressure, how do you all feel about online dating?
Online dating. In the sense of like through like those online apps.
No, like in general.
Meeting a person virtually.
Yeah, and then dating them.
Meet them.
Yeah, then dating them. Then into an escalates up until.
It depends, bro. I've had an experience with dating someone from. Like online, bro. Like, I think I was in grade.
Online girlfriend.
Yeah, I had an online girlfriend. I think it was early. Nah.
So it ended
I've met her cousins that stay around the South Coast. They went to South City. cool person, bro. Like nothing bad happened. It's just that I didn't meet her. That's the only thing.
Would you still want to meet her?
Nah.
Why?
When was this?
Bro. Early times when I started doodling in the whole dating scene. Grade 8, grade 9.
You are.
Wait, what? You started you and Nate.
What's your chat? What's your chat, Zooks? About online dating?
Like dating. I don't know, man. I prefer seeing people face to face.
But I think I agree with you, but I also disagree because you haven't experienced it. Maybe if you would experience it.
I've tried it, but it's not.
Oh, you've tried it.
I mean,
okay.
It's not for me.
The thing that stands out on dating online is because you won't know the person, like the real person. It's how are they in real life? Because you'll be knowing someone on a text.
In real life, meet a different person.
Online, can't we just plan a link up? Maybe
We can, yeah.
I mean, okay, if it's moving, not like
it depends. Like what I was saying.
But like I've met one of the most great people on social media.
Yeah, I get that.
Yeah, and then like we dated for some time. Yeah, the relationship was good, was healthy.
Drop names.
Nah, look at but like the relationship was good, was healthy, you know. It's, why.
Yeah, when you met, did you get what you expected?
Yeah.
And when you meet, it's no more online dating.
But before, like I do meetups, I prefer we
Video call, video chat.
Just to make sure it's
Why especially
just to make
too?
sure it's not a guy, especially.
Yeah. And like it's nice.
Exactly.
Okay.
What?
Have
Just to make sure. I mean, come on.
It's a girl.
Yeah.
have you all
It's important.
been
I mean,
able to?
like
You might don't have experience like video call. And it's called
Nah.
there's a TikTok I saw earlier on today, bro. Like, mental health join my life.
Yeah.
Then this guy joined the live. On the other side, Kona Unchita.
Who's dressed like a girl?
Yeah.
Oh,
fully
sure.
girl.
Bro.
With everything installed, Baba.
Someone in
Even nails and stuff.
group said he felt gay while watching that video.
This is why I always how girls use primary, because you know that's
not all of us.
Most girls after high school better grow up.
I mean, like, life after matric, bro.
Facts.
It's insane.
But I mean, it depends on which girl, because some girls it's the opposite.
Okay, it depends if the girl loves themselves, you know.
Yeah.
There are those who like love themselves after high school.
Yeah,
you know,
true.
Because they be moving.
I mean, I know a guy. I know. Sorry to disturb. I know a guy that was catfished.
Drop names
by who?
By who?
Drop names.
I'm not sure if this person still uses this name as social media thing, but I hope you guys know this person. There was a name for Facebook.
Dangerous.
Do you guys remember the name?
Facebook is the sus.
Do you guys remember the name?
Oh shit!
You guys remember
It
that?
just got real. Yo.
I have a friend who was once
Wait,
catfished.
what? You went to the same school with her? Oh.
Nah, him, nigga, him.
Oh.
He's him. You know?
Okay.
Yeah. So he was catfished deeply, bro. Yo, he was so convinced that it's a girl. Yo. Yabona lento ukuthi amajita vethu achumelana ngechera bayifumanayo.
Oh my god.
Yebo. Wasichomela umjita
Oh,
kuba
no.
ufumene
There's a petty.
icherry. Yabo. So what happened is we were chilling as gents, you know. So he's like, he found this person. They've met up.
They've met up.
They've met up. Listen, I'm still cooking.
Okay. Cool.
It's still cooking. It's still cooking. Still
Good
cooking.
story, boy.
Hot, bro.
Good
Hot.
story, boy.
So
We're not making it to episode 4.
what happened is we're
We're
chilling
not making
as
it.
homies, man. And he pulls up his phone. He's like, yo, this girl. He still convinces that it's a girl. He's like, this girl. Yampambanisa, bra, and umbonzi photos ezithile. He's so in love with this person.
Culture photos, the photos, John.
Yes, up. So Tinesmazi, you get Waitata is a sexy photos. Ne?
Nah, shit.
You know, so he had exclusive photos of which are explicit. You know, man ass.
Yes.
Man ass. Bro. So he was sent those type of pictures, and he was showing us, and we like at the time we didn't know. So
Then we know my you.
Listen, no, listen, woman, ba yo, yabo.
Mengoma, look.
So another homie of mine pulls up and and then he was like, yo, and then he just goes silent, bro.
Oh, that's you.
And then he's like, cheetah, kumcheetah nje lona. Yo, siphele insane. Yo, we laugh. And then, bro,
straight like
he froze. Damn. He was shocked. He didn't know. And then he tells us umlando walento kuba badibane elwandle. They kissed. Ooh. They held each other. So my question was towards him, did you not feel the print, bro? Did you not?
Am I the only one that's going to painting?
Nah, it depends. It depends where.
It's we are being intimate. Can't you?
So he was very embarrassed, man. He was very embarrassed. For those
like what you gotta ask, boy?
Yeah, isn't supposed to be a crime.
A crime, bro.
It's a crime, bro.
What's the charge? Yeah, what's the offense?
That's the charge. That's the offense. Yeah.
But no. I think this needs fact checking. But I even there if someone deceives you of their like character, like we crime, don't. It needs fact checking.
Google it fast, fact check, man.
But like she never said this. I'm a girl or a boy. Yeah. She never said anything. How's that a crime? Sure.
Ubuzanga now.
Now but you the one approached though.
He or she was deceiving though. That's the problem. Yeah. He's deceiving. You know to so boy.
I didn't deceive you. You came to me. I didn't come to you. You know me.
But I actually agree with that.
Yeah.
But I mean,
do your homework, James.
Yeah, do your homework.
That's why I always say go for girls. You have to primary.
Yeah,
she's 100% again.
So what you're saying? They changed from our primary. They are who they are then from.
From primary, Baba. From primary, why yenda yona.
But as Jed's perfect, we need to be careful because in this world, there are so many of those types. And
what? Yo,
for real?
Yeah.
What's your thoughts about the LGBT community?
I don't have any thoughts.
I don't have any thoughts, bro. I don't have anything against those people. Hey,
those people.
Yeah, I mean, it's a personal choice at the end of the day. I mean,
you know, but
I don't have a bad to say, but there's a bad.
I mean, for me, I've got family and I've got friends who are part of the community. The rainbow community. Sorry.
So what would you say? If in the circle of us, one of us comes out into closet.
Yeah. The many jokes that will come out of this group.
You gonna get clowned, dog. You might
clowned.
Like
every single time.
We are gonna get to that. Okay, the question was, is it a crime to lie to someone about your gender? Okay, ChatGPT says that's a really good and sensitive question. Lying about your gender is not usually a crime by itself. In most countries, listen. In most countries, people can present their gender identity however they choose, and mispresenting personal details like gender, age, or background is generally not criminal. Unless it's connected to another illegal act. it can become a legal issue in certain contexts, for example, fraud. If the lies is used to obtain money, property, or benefits like marriage for immigration or financial gain, it could be treated as fraud. Sexual consent laws. In some places, if someone lies about being a different gender or other major identity details to obtain sex, it could be argued that consent was not valid. Laws on this vary wildly. Yeah. In some countries, it may be prosecuted, in others not.
Damn. In SA, is it?
Official documents lying about your gender on government forms, IDs, or legal documents can sometimes be considered as a crime.
Yeah,
But I mean,
That's a crime, like.
but I mean, in certain applications,
No, okay,
when it
I'm
comes
not-
to like work and school,
Okay.
kuba khona lanto ethi other.
I'm not.
Oh, yeah. I mean, not other.
But I'm not done. But in everyday life, like dating, chatting, online, social interaction, it's usually not considered as a crime.
So
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 all
they're
in
not
all,
committing a
y'all
crime.
niggas be careful. That's
Yeah.
all I can say.
catfish.
It's not a crime.
Yeah, let their consent. It's either let their consent buckets. Do you think a drunk person can consent or initiate sex?
With a drunk person.
Yeah.
With the
I mean,
both parties are drunk, man.
we both drunk. Okay, if we agree to it.
But a drunk person can't consent.
Yeah, nah.
Can a
But
drunk
if-
person initiate?
There's verbal consent,
Okay.
and then there's consent where you
Sign a
just.
contract, bro.
I mean, in this day and age, it's
I always go for verbal consent.
verbal consent, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I mean,
Yeah,
sometimes-
that's
sometimes you
like-
find yourself in a situation where you guys lock eyes, and then that's the only consent there is.
nah,
Vapor.
Okay, it's okay.
Phela bethu in the yabona in
Yeah,
this
keeping the moment.
Bro,
No.
inkinga lapha
This
South
age, you
Africa.
never know. You never
South
know.
Africa,
Africa,
man.
Yeah, Baba.
But like, can a drunk person initiate sex?
That's the. It depends on how
we talking
drunk that
relationship?
person is. How
Are we
drunk is that
talking
person?
relationship?
It depends on how drunk you are, though.
Is that person drunk or tipsy?
Both of us are drunk.
Both of us are
Initiate
drunk.
sex.
Like
Like drunk or
drunk.
tipsy? Drunk.
Both of us are drunk.
I initiate sex.
Both of us are
Listen, how
drunk.
you consent. Is
Mm.
that rape?
Is
Because
that
we both
great?
drunk.
Okay, so in the morning, does she say?
Obviously, she's gonna say that.
Yeah,
But I
well,
mean-
and it's hard, you know.
But I mean, it's both equal in both gents and women, bro. I mean, a woman can feel some type of way, horny, some type of way, you know, and then be the one who like chases after you. And as cheater, you're not gonna say no,
I've experienced that. I can vouch for it.
you know. So it just depends on the, you know,
I'm the worst, dog. What's the you know?
No.
on the situation, bro. It's never, it's not always the gent that actually chases after the woman, the guy,
Okay, yeah.
the woman. Yeah, it's 50-50 for me. That's how I see
I'm
it.
vouching for what you just said because I've experienced it. I know it. Yeah.
Also, moving to the engagement chats.
Yeah,
What were
yeah.
you saying about it?
Yeah, ngibonile ukuthi ukuthi ukhulume ngey'tabane about homosexual
Before we get to that, what's the right way of addressing people of color?
What you mean, people of color?
Is this
Yes, LGBTQ.
so what's a respectful way of like saying that person is
Stubborn.
so
See,
but like
yeah I think that line of that word stubborn is like offensive. It's like the American thing I'm a colored, it's not allowed, but in SA it's cool. It's like what the Tyler thing.
To people of color.
Yeah,
What's the correct name?
it could be nguni sutu.
what's a respectful way of addressing
Respectful.
the rainbow people?
Respect.
Thina sikhule kuthiwa
Stubborn. Hey, stubborn. How? Why manje made
offensive. That's offensive.
in Tibetani.
That's offensive. Yeah.
Chocolate box nigga.
Yeah.
This podcast is cool.
But I mean, what about the word gay?
Okay, now
It's in the English
yabona
dictionary, so
nakhona ku-LGBT ikhona okay yabona it's already there, so like I
who
don't
knows all
understand.
the letters for like the meaning?
It's lesbian, gay,
Gay,
trans,
bisexual,
LGBT. It's lesbian, gay, bi, trans, na yonke leyo nto. I don't know
Oh,
all
the Q
of
is
them.
queer.
Transgender.
Transgender.
It's also wait, kona le etu like you dating, you marry.
Oh yeah, I heard about that. Lena yokuthi you can marry like yabona okay,
Let's say you are gay.
you're gay.
And what? So,
No, okay,
but let's say you are gay,
Yeah.
dating a person who's gay.
No,
Like,
no, like
like,
you
you're
get
gay.
married to straight yabo, you get married to like your opposite gender yabo.
Yeah.
But in your
That's another
marriage,
thing you're talking about.
oh okay, talk about
Talk
your
about this one
okay.
now.
In your marriage, you can like you see you marry the opposite gender.
Yeah.
But you tell your partner, your opposite partner, that you're into gay people, and your partner must accept that you're a gay person. You accept that you can have kids, you can have everything, yeah, but you are gay, you date the same gender, but you are married. That's one thing I heard, because
Yeah.
they said like it's because they like, you see, in us as black people, it's for like to cover up that you are gay. Yeah, and
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
we
Yeah.
talk about the same thing. It's called lavender marriage.
yeah.
Lavender marriage.
Oh,
Yeah, so that's also
Can I ask a question?
Don't get someone who are in the closet.
Yeah.
Maybe now I remember now when I heard it.
yeah.
Can I ask a question?
It's a
Sure.
How would you
lavender
feel, James, if you'd find out that someone close to you, and by close I mean family, that for example, close as in like your own father, how would you feel?
marriage. What?
How would you feel if you find out that your father is gay?
But imagine Zotin.
Wait, what?
Like all these years, he was with umamako.
Ndizotini ndingenapi
Oh, that's the case. Lavender marriage. I mean, he's hiding.
ndingenapi vele life yakhe wenza into afuna uyenza phela ngendawo.
Would you still call him your father?
Yes, your father.
Utime at the day. Oh, ukakhulisa oh, bonani time at the day.
Could be gay. Uyingane yakhe. Ayishintshi don't you time around.
Imagine.
Yes, but he's not my father now.
Yeah, I was saying I'm disown now.
How-
Like you disown him.
Me, I'll disown.
That's all.
That's
Nah,
fuck.
fuck.
That's fuck.
I need a father figure.
Menga you father figure ongexesha ukuhle.
He was hiding. Now I found out.
Hayi bo.
Father figure ngumuntu amphephayo. Lo nto kuyo.
But
Nah.
like, so you have to understand. Yabona indlela okhuluma ngayo manje.
Yeah.
Imagine if he was veza kudala. Uzomhlonipha kanjani?
At least now you.
I mean, in this day and age, we've got kids who have like both have the same gender parents.
Yeah, it happens.
I mean,
I mean, what's that show we used to watch it growing up?
which,
Modern Family.
Modern Family.
Yeah.
oh yeah. What I'm saying.
Yeah, that shit is not modern.
It is.
What?
It is modern. Ndenzeka ngoku.
Homosexuality is not
It's like the Chelsea star, the female.
something.
Yeah, Sam Kerr. She's married to another woman. She has a child with that woman. It's a modern
They
thing.
adopted it. Like how did
I never
I mean, in
followed.
most
I never
cases,
followed through.
they adopt in most cases because like they can't have.
I never followed through on what was happening there.
What's your story on adopting? Like, would you adopt a kid
Yeah,
if you were to find out you're infertile?
Ukuba ngichama Sprite ndiyasichama. Akadokta. That's why. No, let me reason why. the thing is.
So you're saying you'd never?
I wouldn't.
Okay.
The thing is, amasiko. There's a lot that goes on involving amasiko.
It's very deep. It's very deep.
So if I adopt someone else's child, it's another story.
No, I don't know, boy. No, I don't know, boy. Be safe.
If I find out you think I need home, like,
Yeah.
if like in Ghana, big close, not high.
Oh shit! I actually know.
I'd rather not adopt though. But personally, I'd rather not adopt.
I actually know a story of what you just said. There was a guy who was in a taxi, man. I saw this on TikTok, I think. There was a guy who was in a taxi, was on a call, and he received a call from ugqirha wakhe. Caba lo mtshita wayenze i-private investigation of DNA abantwana bakhe. So this person had 3 kids with this woman.
No, I think I know that story.
And then he found out from the call.
Drop names for us. I don't know, guys.
Yeah, I actually don't. I don't know. They didn't drop names.
No, it was an article, I think.
Yeah. So he found out but the kids that he supposedly raised were not his.
Hmm.
And to make it worse, there's a cultural practice in the Zulu, in the Nguni era, that if the husband does not,
the
brother steps in.
So what would you say about that? Like after finding that out, like if your brother slept with your wife and all your kids are his, actually.
The day I found
How would you
out,
go after that?
yeah, I think.
so
Why am I all this time, man? Please.
But I mean, if you're
Behind your back.
cultured enough to actually accept that, you are able to manage the fact that
I'm saying this. Why not tell me beforehand? Why must I find out like afterwards? Situation.
yeah, in the olden I think in the olden days it was very embarrassing for a guy exactly to have not ungabi nayo inzalo. Yabo. But in this day and age, it's all about communication. If your woman wants kids badly enough to actually just skip to the brother, they should at least tell you, yo, tell us if I get ubhuti in the picture. Agwazi ba produce abantwana. Then I think that would be acceptable.
I mean,
No.
Most families, bro, I've had so when an older brother dies, the younger brother has
Hell no. Hell no. No.
In most families,
No. I'm glad I'm the only kid my mom has.
Shafi, it's not even your time.
Saying being the only child is nice. You don't wish you had siblings.
I have siblings on my father's side because I'm cheater.
He's
Izinja boy.
I'm Hlisela Steve.
I'm moving to it start.
Steve someone by 3 years.
But like also
Huh? Yeah, on my mom's side, I'm alone. Let me just say that, yeah.
Don't you think if you have an accident, maybe it might need cars and cars and
In my case, I don't know my siblings.
Wait, how's your relationship with the...
From my mother's side,
I don't know my siblings. On me,
So you know
don't know at all.
but you don't know.
my father decided to become Ukasta Simen.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Hey, let's not dwell in that
Too
too
close
much.
for me.
Let's
Yeah.
not dwell into parent stuff too much.
I mean, like, it's a thing we should talk about. It's a norm these days, bro. It's not a thing.
Thinking that we don't
It's a
know.
norm.
In the olden days, I feel like Tina, in the 21st century, we as a bangani, as a bangani bafethu, I think we need to school each other. For example, if you would have a kid, right? You find out whatever girl you're with. You know, I would advise you.
What's wrong with that?
I would judge you if you become Caster Semenya.
Yeah, well,
I would judge you.
Same thing.
Like, Braz, we need to have that
Having a
relationship.
baby is a choice. I mean, like, it's a choice.
No.
You know what you're doing.
No, it is not a choice.
What you mean it's not a
It's a
choice?
50-50.
What you mean it's not a choice?
No, it's a 50-50 thing. You can ungamitisi cherry without knowing to meet 3
How?
months down the line.
How?
3 months down the line, she finds out that she's maybe 1 month.
So when I didn't know you ejaculated inside,
But like,
it's like you don't know.
But there's pre-cum, bro. There's pre-cum. There's pre-cum.
There's pre-cum. Like you don't hear that. You don't.
There's pre-cum, bro.
Bro,
Pre-cum, bro.
That's crazy.
No, but what's
I'm
experience and boy?
getting pregnant, I would say.
Wait,
it's a
what do you mean?
mistake. Having a child as a choice. You had 9 months.
Getting pregnant is a
But
mistake.
it depends.
Wait,
But no, listen.
Having a child.
Fact checker, it depends. It's up to you that you decide that you want to have the child. I'm not going to be a murderer.
Hey, bro, it's not a person as yet.
That's what I'm always saying, bro.
Bro,
I don't lie, bro. I don't lie, but the choice is with the hand.
Thanks
Ima,
to say.
Ima, she choices with
No,
the hand.
but if
No, I think because of the hand.
if ngumuntu wesiko xa uzoyibulala
Faith,
amabhadi wodwa
Uyolenza iladi.
Okay.
Uyolenza iladi.
Is someone doing Zimbabwe every day killing people?
ayifani le nto no
How so?
Bro,
ayifani
masturbation is totally different, bro. That's just one half of the equation. That's just one half of the equation because to make umtwana is the egg versus the sperm cell together. Hello, sayifunda bafethu.
You're fighting this only
In science, I mean, sayifunda bafethu.
okay, over ngale way, like maybe let's say nenyanga yenzekile.
You can still abort now.
yo
It's not a
Okay, whoa. Let me
Wait,
ask
after
this.
how-
Let's check.
No,
Let's ask
What
the
if you
checker.
had after
Would
3
you
months?
abort a child or fetus that you're the father of?
Yeah, I would.
Why?
I'm not financially fit.
Thank you. Exactly, bro.
He was ready for that.
Niggas be crazy.
Boy, why the way people are
Crazy.
hey amo
Okay, so you say
amo
Are you
that's what I'm saying.
Are
Having
you
a baby
talking
is a
from
choice.
experience?
Having a baby is a choice.
Anginayo emhlabeni nasezulwini.
Nigga, we know
How about
your
you?
life.
no
How about you? Do you have a baby in heavens?
Nigga,
Yeah, my say, not that I know of. Not that I know of. Not that I know of.
How about you?
Nah, not that.
No, so he said no. You? I guess all of us.
What about you?
Whoa.
Hey,
Why am I getting the spotlight?
hey.
Nah,
What about you? What about you?
nah, I don't.
that you know of
I don't.
that you know of
That you know of.
So y'all
no at all
No,
That
come
you
on.
know of.
I don't.
I mean, okay, so y'all promoting the not promoting, but
I'm not promoting
agreeing with
you see
Decision making.
you see your chats I
Yeah, I'm
agree
saying
with your
it's my
chat
decision.
it's a choice but at the end of the day
You always have a choice.
but at the end of the day
It's a
it
choice,
can
it's a
happen
right decision.
Having a baby,
it can happen unexpectedly
Yeah,
that's the other thing
How so?
it happens bro.
Like I was saying, pre-cum,
Pre-cum.
pre-ejaculation
pre-ejaculation, economic, ikapuge,
Yeah.
things happen like you come up all over her and then she sits in a certain position which allows fertilization to happen.
ifana nalaba
Lento besifunda phela esikolweni.
ifana nalaba mitha bethi bengalokhonjwanga bakhona abantu abamitha
A
abangashawanga
virgin can fall pregnant.
Ngokusoma. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see, no time. Like, that just now.
awutsheta ye uhleka kakhulu
We learned. Because
Yeah.
they can end. Basically, I got pregnant. I was still in high school.
And just to school you
So
guys,
Yes, I've done it so.
just to school you guys, there's a thing that I heard recently. Eti Noma Icheri. Fact checker just asked us. That's why we laugh.
Because I'm not.
Basically, it's
Yeah.
yeah, it's not penetration.
Imagine, yeah.
Yeah.
I wasn't funny.
Man, he killed me.
So
He killed me.
I wasn't funny.
Like most people, stand like Maskandi.
Yeah,
yeah. Yeah.
She's like, nah.
No,
Out of
I'm not
respect that
ready.
she's.
She's a virgin. She's like,
Mm.
So you in the time.
Speaking about umhlanga bafethu. Speaking about umhlanga, bras. I've recently learned that not everyone. So please don't cancel me. Please don't get me wrong. There are certain individuals that I know, that we know, as homies in the South Coast.
Wait.
That
Crazy.
there's a fraudulent behavior that happens where mommy say police unxilile uselile khona into ekuthiwa yi-cooldrink.
Yeah.
Napabla industry yo white dot, is it black or white? White dot virginity don't. There's fraudulent behavior that
Oh, they
happens.
bribe also the
They bribe.
how
They
so?
bribe.
Not exactly, but like
If you have enough money, what I've heard, if you have enough money, you can cover that shit up.
How did
How?
Yes.
Then
Then it's now your day to actually appear to you are virgin. You can just
how?
Doesn't that thing follow?
le yanduku yabo ephatha ayiwi
do
inyoni.
you think it's true? You can pick the wrong stick, bro. A week. You wake up legit.
Dude, some Africans in that.
No, bro. I mean, I believe in science, bro.
Yeah, born again.
You are biased.
Okay, I'm biased. Okay.
I know this.
Yeah. Let me just say, for me, I've never witnessed that, and I never would have believed it. And
Exactly.
you must know,
You know,
and it's an aesthetic.
witchcraft, again, everything is African was born. About for men,
yeah,
Shit happens.
Ubisikova siyichapatanga wakho.
That's where now when I come to stadium is strong in player. It's strong in player.
Test your
I'm a
limits.
true African. I've been
Test your limits.
too land of too westernized.
Mara, it's nice there. There it's nice.
In
Yo,
other words, going
it's
to
nice.
you saying you being tested if you are African or Western.
No.
You should go there. You should go there.
It doesn't taste anything, my guy. It's nice, the chief. It's nice. Very nice
Every day
there.
is a pride day.
Yo, phela siphila ngepizza
I'm
yethu.
always asking to those people about Entabeni, would you choose to go to jail or Entabeni?
I'd go back to the mountains. I'd go back to the mountains.
Personally, I've never been, even though I abide with the culture, but just the thing of which father figure was Castasimania. But
You should go, boy.
One thing about Entabeni, can you realize that people love you.
Yeah, and the respect.
I appreciate from my experience in Ram States, it's tones it's you become a respectable individual.
Yeah.
And it's such a nice feeling. For me it's weird because it's such a nice feeling for me, but I've never gone.
You see, I love it when your uncles, you see, your uncles show you the most respect. They are the people who show you the
Exactly.
But
most respect.
some people say image today, otherwise no.
Nope.
It's not image.
Nope.
You're isolated.
Yeah.
Nothing.
No food.
Everything is
Question. Question, what's that myth? I don't know if it's a myth, ne? Then talk amapati wasulela. Yeah. Yeah.
That's false though.
It's false. I thought so.
So you've experienced this.
Yeah. Lo mkhululwa lo ngeke. Ngiyathi sithetha zonke ngo.
So that's why next call.
Usezikhupha zonke ngo.
Ungatheli double shot.
Hawu zikhupha zonke ngo.
Before we get into details about the initiation schools and stuff, so
Yeah, I doubt we need to talk about that because it's a sensitive matter.
So ayikho sensitive. But ke asikho
okay, but yeah, we're not there. So guys, I have something to talk about. Like, I heard some things on social media about royalties again.
Ay,
You know,
Maphorisa.
always royalties.
Maphorisa.
Always
Now.
Always royalties. But this time around, it's not the one we know.
Again, how
It's
can I?
not the one we know.
Not the proof.
Why
It's
we
a brand new one.
Why we create?
Fresh out the box.
Why we
And
create?
there's sweets also coming.
Mafiswana, wenze mafiswana man.
telling you.
Wait. Apparently, there's a song called Hamba Chubalami. I don't know who's the
Lady
producer
Ama.
of- okay, I know Lady
No,
Ama,
she's the okay. Lady Ama,
CC,
CC, Muruma
and I
Peach.
forgot the producer of the song.
I don't.
So
Yeah,
apparently, all of them, I don't know if all of them, but like CC and Lady Ama and the producer came out and spoke about it. And
they never got royalties on their
they
own
never got
song.
royalties and the song
On
was-
their own song.
Bro,
Aibo.
it was a very fucking hit, like
Aibo.
hit by Dago, it's not Chubalami.
Such a lovely song. Such a lovely.
Mafiswana, wenzani Mafiswana? Hey.
Shout royalties and
Such a
there's
lovely
no-
song.
This is on that song.
No, it's like the
like DJ Khaled.
DJ Khaled.
Lo sakisa ama contracts, lo kuphela pals.
Yeah, no, I'm so busy.
Oh, yo, see, Sfiso had a reason. Yeah, he had a reason.
Yeah.
Yeah, he had a reason on why he did that.
He had a reason.
Oh, that's a battle.
But hey, that's not the only case. So Mac G also said, you remember the song in Canteen and also Trip?
Yeah.
I'm the who talking. Yeah, boys, and I'm going. It was not a hit.
It's not talking about that.
No,
We're talking about something else now.
Like in Canteen.
But I mean, in context, he did say that, yeah.
Yeah.
Like apparently, like Mac G got the beat from Sfiso, then he added to Trill and other artists,
Yeah.
and then the song came out and it was a hit.
Lady
Then
Ama.
Sfiso came to him and was like, "Yo, I didn't get money
You
from
are
that
fearful,
song, so I
Lady
want money from
Ama.
the song." And Mac G was like, "Aibo, we didn't talk anything about that, but okay, as in, talk to me Monday and we'll sort something out." Then Bro kept pressing Mac G, "Hey Baba, I want that money, I want that money." Then Mac G was like, "You know what? Fuck it, just take everything. I'm gonna show you all how much money the song made. Give you money." Then take
He
the
does
song out
not
of
want to
it.
be part of it.
He just made it transparent and stuff.
Yeah, he deleted the
He made
song.
a
Like,
smart move there.
Yeah, he did to the song.
He
His
did.
own,
He made a smart move.
own
there.
His piece.
His piece, yeah. And then apparently other people have been posting that song and he doesn't care.
Oh.
That will make G like remove the
So
song.
podcast and chill.
Mm.
Only one made it there. Sol yeah. Yeah, he has a song which is out there now.
Tibakang.
Tibakang
Tikabang, yeah. My bad, to be honest.
Mana mo. Yun ndibuzayo.
Tikabang.
Fake check.
Yeah.
Tikabang.
I think he's saying it in the way it's spelled. He's actually while he fact checks.
Yeah, as I was saying, he was the one who made it out there. He was the one who made it out there. Yona ngoba
Did
ngusayithanda.
he get the?
We don't know about that chat.
Okay, since he didn't talk about it, I'm sure he did get it because who's this? Mac G did talk about the Canteen royalties and stuff. So actually, sorry, and I did get the royalties of the song.
Yeah, he did.
Assume.
Yeah.
Okay, I assume so.
Allegedly.
He didn't say anything about it.
No, he never talked about it anyway. He never talked about it.
But I mean, he did say that he took himself out of the equation. Yoguti, he doesn't want to be part of the whole sending money of thing and being responsible. He just wants to.
So very feature very long. It wasn't his song.
Yeah,
Wait, isn't so a DJ?
he is. Yes, he is.
But the song wasn't
He was a
his.
feature. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
I think it's about buying a beat from someone
Okay.
and making it your own.
Okay.
Just like that project Umakji had with what is it called? Songs I put my name on. Yes. Yeah.
Ifana nomaphoyisa into abayishoyo ngayo into enzosoul but manje when it converts back to maphoyisa it's like hey maphoyisa produced everything he hosted everything
KFC.
But
He uses water.
Yeah.
His bills.
Electricity.
If it's under my bills, it's my song.
Oh, exactly that's what maphoyisa
Toilet breaks. He uses his toilet.
yeah, because at the end of the day it's his studio it's his food
It's a script basically.
everything yabona you come back again That's why I was saying, the royalty stuff is kind of difficult.
Yeah,
I think
it's
there
tricky.
should be like a contract agreement.
Yeah,
If there is,
I'm sure-
there should be a contract.
I'm sure there is, but
But like
It should be
would-
before the song.
before
Yeah.
the song, like when
But,
we talk,
like I
we,
say-
we can't like agree verbally that we are gonna do a feature,
yeah.
and I'm gonna.
But
get
no,
this money.
no. Okay, so Zooks, what you're trying to say is, after every song,
No, I said.
before every
I
song,
said when the song is done, before the song drops.
before it
It's always
drops.
a contract about okay, when are you getting a certain percentage?
But the
you
thing
getting
is,
a certain percentage.
you never know if that song's gonna.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying
Yeah.
before.
At
So
every
then
situation, you
everything's
never
fair.
know which is.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
you never know which
Fair.
song is.
Because
on
once the
situation.
song drops and it's a hit, everyone will have different expectations, like I already said.
After the agreement of the contract.
Yeah, contract is charged. The contract is there.
My question is.
Yeah,
That's what
my
I'm
question.
saying. If there's a contract, you can't disagree with that.
My question is, after the whole signing of the contract, is it not a situation where it's a brief of contract because you feel some type of way because the song is now a hit?
Why did you agree to that contract in the first place?
I get.
Verbally.
Yes, I.
Not verbal. I'm talking about contract.
Yeah.
Proper contract.
I agree with you, but now because before the song drops, you don't know what the song is gonna, how well the song is actually gonna
It's
do.
controversial. That's what I'm trying
Nah.
to say.
Yeah,
It's
but then
controversial.
But lako, flop yako leyo.
Exactly.
Really neqaleni.
exactly.
That's the thing. I understand your chat. Yeah, I agree with that. There must be a contract before any song drops. Yeah. If you produce a song, you must sign a contract with someone. If you
As
want-
soon as you sign, you have to abide by what the contract says.
No matter how big the song becomes.
Exactly.
you
You
agree to that.
stick to the percentage.
Going back to Jima Shekho told us a lot of things. We were trying to expose all these DJs, but then we are not there. It's like, from my perspective, I think that the dude did sign a contract. He signed something that was telling him, we say, "Hi, if the song is a hit, maybe if it is or not, here's your share." He got that type of money because that dude, we don't even know him. I was surprised. Who was Jimo Shekho? When the
Like, I
stories,
was surprised. I didn't know him. Like,
who's this nigga?
I didn't know him.
Who's this
like,
nigga?
Yeah.
Therefore,
You should just stick to your contract and move on to the next
I
song.
just know his name, but I didn't know his face.
I didn't know
Yeah.
his face also. Like
I never
and
knew
the song
him.
was kind of.
I never knew that the song was his.
Who was that guy who was recently allegedly arrested?
It was Jima Shekho.
That's Jima Shekho.
Nah,
I didn't know
wasn't
him.
being arrested. Apparently, they take him to like a psych ward or something.
No, it
Oh,
was.
mental
mental
Apparently,
institution.
People say he saw some things there in Nigeria, though.
No, it was a mistakenly. It's a mistake arrest because they cleared it up. It was.
No, I'm saying like to his current behavior, it's due to what he saw.
No,
in-
he was released after. That's what I'm saying.
yeah.
I didn't actually agree what he said about.
He's not talking about that. He's talking
I'm
about.
talking about what he saw in Nigeria, which made him crash out.
Oh yeah.
So,
Like,
And release every
But
single
then again,
secret.
no, think about it. If you're in Nigeria now, who do you know in Nigeria?
boy.
I mean, like, how did he end up in that situation? That's what I'm saying.
Wasn't he
went on a
booked?
gig.
Yeah, he was
went on a
booked.
gig. Maporis and all them.
He
How
was
is it
booked.
possible? Because
Then they leave him.
they go to gigs like around the
No, my
province.
question is,
Provinces.
why did Maporisa and them leave him behind?
That's what I'm saying. How
Oh,
did he
that's your question.
How did he get left out there?
I don't know.
How
I
and
don't
why?
know.
I feel like in the same situation where, for example, I'm gonna make Umek Gino and Nosol, they would be booked in the same event by two different people.
Yeah.
I doubt there would be
Wait, what you say? So MacG and Sol Pindola get booked in the.
by
Say
different
like Hlabe, Maseko, and Maporis and them were booked by different people.
in the
And
same
the
event.
people that booked him disappointed him. But the people that booked Maporis like pulled through for them.
Yeah.
So actually, it's the recruitment team of the event.
It's a recruitment,
Possibly,
yes,
possibly.
yes.
Something like that.
Because I mean, if you're not booked by the same people, then you don't expect the same package.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, okay,
Yeah.
we could say that.
There you have it for Sonda Sessions podcast today. We are done for today.
Sonda, what?
Sonda Sessions podcast.
Yeah.
Tell us if you like the episode, guys. Please do comment on the comment
Like,
section, like, share.
Share and subscribe. Come
A lot
on,
of you are not
subscribe.
subscribed.
Why
A
are
lot
you
of you
watching?
are not subscribed,
Why are you watching?
guys.
If you all want to feature, you can contact us.
On our social
Yeah.
platforms,
Social
the
media,
link is on the
TikTok,
bio.
Just hit us
Instagram,
up.
Facebook.
Just hit us up.
Fucking hell.
Any one of us,
Thank
any one of us, just hit us up, bro.
Bye.
Cheers to you.
See y'all.
Pow!